never forget who you are because the rest of the world will not. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So part of becoming the best version of yourself is owning who you are, owning your flaws, owning your insecurities, owning everything that you may not particularly like about yourself, and accepting yourself wholeheartedly, including all your flaws. You have to realize that you should never really forget who you are and what you stand for, because the world will always try and point out what's not right about you. When people can't destroy your character, they'll start to destroy your looks. So you have to really be content with how you are, your overall well-being. And I think it's important to embrace your flaws. Don't shy away from what's not great about you. Maybe you might have the biggest forehead or whatever it may be. Maybe you've got the biggest feet. Maybe you've got a crooked smile, whatever it may be. Don't be scared to embrace that, because the sooner you embrace that, the sooner you accept that about yourself, the world can never use that against you. People pointing out your flaws can never be an insult, because it's something you've accepted about yourself. You've embraced it. You've realized, okay, I've got this and this is how I was made. I'm not going to change it, so I'm just going to be happy with it. Accept your flaws and insecurities. Whatever you're insecure about, just accept it, and people will never be able to use that against you. People will never be able to point that out and use it as a way of demeaning your character, or as a way of bullying you, or as a way of trying to make you feel bad about yourself. You've already accepted it, so it won't affect you. You have to really remember who you are. You have to really embrace who you are completely, and so that people don't use it against you. You only ever be insulted by something that you're currently working through, something that you haven't come to terms with. If someone is trying to say, let's say, come for your forehead, or they're trying to point out a flaw and you've accepted it, the most that you're going to do is think, I know about that. So do you know what I mean? Because you've already accepted it, because you're already happy with it, you're confident in yourself. That's why I always think that when you have confidence and you accept yourself for who you are, you accept yourself completely, and you love yourself wholeheartedly, no one can ever destroy your confidence. No one can always undervalue you. You know your self-worth, so you're always going to present yourself in a way that people can't take advantage of you. So remember to keep yourself sane, remember who you are, remember where you came from, and stay humble. Most people get themselves in situations where maybe they now become so successful and they start looking down on people. You have to remember where you came from, and remember to stay humble, because whatever you've got can easily be taken away from you. Sometimes people forget who they are and they end up getting lost. They end up getting involved in so many different things because they forgot who they stand for, or they're even trying to cover up their insecurities. I have nothing against people getting surgery, but I think it's a big problem if you're getting it just because you're trying to cover that insecurity that people have always pointed out. Because trust me, people will find something else. Like, are you going to change your whole body because people keep pointing it out? Isn't it just easier to accept how you look, accept how you've been made, and roll with it? That way people can never take advantage of you. So I think it's important to realize where you came from, accept all your flaws, and that way they'll never be used against you. It's obviously not easy to do so, but the quicker you learn to love yourself completely, the less people can use your flaws against you. Part of becoming the best version of yourself is understanding and loving all of you. It doesn't mean that you're not trying to improve, but learn to embrace everything about yourself. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one.